Google Ads. Starting Google Ads from a clothing business. I have a clothing brand with an average order value 1,500. You did not mention the currency, but let's assume it's $1,500. I want to start Google Ads for the first time. Okay, congrats. Meta is performing well for us. I'm thinking to go for shopping. As to start with, what do you suggest? Never done Google before. Need your suggestions for a beginner. Okay, for any beginners, I always recommend to hire a Google Ads professional like us. We are known as Aarswebs.com. We are a Google Ads partner company and we help clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management. But don't worry, apart from marketing myself, I want to tell you in case if you plan to do it yourself, okay, that's very good. I have a few ideas which you can use to start your campaigns on Google Ads for your clothing business. Let's get started on this. So, this is by default one of the Google Ads dashboard account. What you have to do is just simply select the new campaign over here. Once you select the new campaign, uh, you can see around you get a few ideas over here: sales, leads, web traffic, create campaigns without guidance, local stores visits, or YouTube view, reach, views, and engagement. Okay, for a clothing brand, what you have to do is to move on to the create a campaign without guidance. And I think that the demand generation campaign is going to work well. So my first recommendation is a demand gen campaign. Demand gen campaign is good. Why? Because with the clothing you need more visual stuff, so people like to see before you buy. So try to understand the psyche is different. So in my opinion, I do not recommend the search campaign for the clothing brand, but rather I recommend the where demand gen campaign over here. And the second I recommend is the shopping campaign over here. So the second is shopping campaigns, but for the shopping campaign you need to have merchant center connected with the Google search ads account. You can do the second option as well. The second option is running a shopping campaigns ad. I do not recommend the PMax for the start. No PMax, no search. And another thing which I recommend is to do a remarketing campaign, but you can opt for that later on. So my opinion is to do this and retargeting later on after 2 months when you get some traffic. Okay, it's very important that when you are running. You need to have your conversion tracking properly installed. I do not take it lightly. Even if you are getting good conversions on Meta, it's very important and essential to have your conversion tracking properly installed so that all the algorithm and system of Google Ads work fine. Also, in case on Meta, if you have not installed the conversion tracking, I highly recommend the similar suggestions for the Meta ads as well, that you need to install the conversion tracking properly. I hope I was able to guide you regarding how to start your Google Ads for clothing business. But if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com, a Google Ads partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads audit, setup, management. We also help clients with the SEO, Google Business Profile, Meta Ads, and a lot more solutions. So for a thorough detail, you can click on the link in the description to get started with this. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye. And we look forward to working with you. Take care.